Hi folks, we're back with Revit training here, and today we're going to continue on with our structural exercise, and we're going to look at creating views, details, and schedules if we can fit this all in. So basically, we're going to go and look at creating elevation views. Basically simple, fairly simple, like this would be our overall elevation views, these markers here. But in the structural world, we may need certain areas. So, like an engineer, would want to see this or this wall or that wall or whatever, so forth and so forth. So, anyway, guys, please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me make videos like this. So now, what we want to do first and foremost, we want to create, say, an elevation of this wall. Because we do have the overall, which is this. I'll just double click that. Well, anyway. Uh-oh. That's our north elevation. So we're going to go back to our plan view. And we want to do what we call create an elevation view. And here, if you do this pull down, you'll have two types of elevation. You know, I think I've been over this before here. You want to do an elevation at each wall. So you would say, like for instance, the elevation here, if you want to place that one, that would be a regular elevation for the exterior of the wall. And then we have the other type of elevation here, which is the framing elevation. Generally, inside, say for instance here, that guy would go right there. That would be a framing elevation. So, but anyway, moving on, we also have other views that we would look at here would be our section views. You know, just take the section tool and say you want to drop a section from here to, let's say something important here, maybe. Let's have a look through here. So, and you just drop that, and these are your extents. This shows you how far you want to see. We don't really want to see that far. We just basically want to see these columns in this area. So if I double click that, so we have that section view. We want to put that in maybe in a fine view so you can see it better. Most structures don't use fine view, they more or less use coarse, which is, you know. So there's our basic view for that. And I'm going to go back into our floor plan here. So we have the views here going up, and then, so we have our overall views. So these are extra views that we probably will need. So basically I would probably go throughout here, this inside, because what this view does, so let's double click and look at this. Uh-oh, sorry. Sorry about that. So if I double click this view, I can't do it right now for some reason. Don't attach. Let's cancel that out for now. But anyway, this view, I'll just tab to it, maybe I can pick it up. No, I can't open that view for some reason. Probably because, let me see, let me try this one more time. Okay. But anyway, normally you would open this view right here, and this would be the inside of the framing or whatever they're going to use here. In this case, it's going to be reinforced concrete because this is only concrete built. Okay, so now we go and look at, let's just open this section up. That's basically that. I don't know why. Let me try this one more time. Nope, I can't open that guy. Let me see. One more shot. Okay. Well, this guy won't open for me, so let's place another one, say, here. We're going to framing elevation. Select this wall. Let's do this one here. And now I'm going to double click it here. So that's that wall, how you would see it. So, okay, now I want to run through another thing here while we're here. So these are going to be some views that we're going to put on our regular sheets once we get them done. So we want a section there. And maybe some sections through all these areas over here. Maybe we need something through the openings here. So I'm just going to do a section right through there. So this is basically how you do your sections. Okay, so now we want to look at another view function in Revit, and that's going to be our basic details. So to do a detail call out is you're going to go right here. So normally you got two different options here. You got rectangle and sketch. I use rectangle most of the time, and basically we can go and say we want to just pick up this area right here. So I'll draw this little call out. Even better, let's just undo that. I want to do something a little more specific. Say in this case, you say we have this column right here, and let's do a call out here. So what we have end up doing here is detailing this guy out, and we can go to that view and whatever. So that's how you would do a detail. So if I double click this, so you're in that detailed drawing, you can set the scale or whatever you want to do and create your, detail your model out. Go back out of this. So that's basically how you would do a detail. You can do that also in elevation or in your footing levels, because we would need details here. Let me see, that's fine and shaded and colors. So you get the idea. So that's how the call out works. So now what we end up doing next is we have our schedules. So we've got a few views here, and we haven't created sheets and everything. So we gotta basically go back and create a structural set of drawings. So I'm gonna go back to my second floor plan here. And we've got our call outs, we've got this column, and then we might have a few other things here. So what we do now is we go look at our schedules. We talked about sections and details, so let's look at our schedules. We have drafting views here as well, but I'm not going to go into that. So to create a schedule, we'll basically go into our view tab here, and then it says schedules, and we'll do a material takeout schedule for now. And then we'll set all of our settings up here. So what I'm going to do for this one, just briefly, let's do a column schedule first for now, because we have a whole system. We got a whole lot of different schedules to make. We need one for the columns, our beams, and so forth and so on. So I'll go here and I want to go to schedules. Column schedule here, and there's our graphical column schedule. So this basically shows our columns and all and what's happening here on each level. So I'm going to go and make this fine. And as you know, we had a second level in our roof, and there's our schedule for these columns. So this is this. So anyway, guys, I just want to run you through this right quickly, the views. We're going to set up sheets in the next video. So everybody, like I said, please subscribe if you haven't. It helps me make videos like this and it's great support of the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye. Be safe, y'all.